Good morning, all of you, and myself, Dharmendra sir. Welcome all of you in DSS online English class. Now we have cleared the above paragraph earlier, and we will explain today from these paragraphs or the remaining paragraph. So, student, I hope so all of you got that what is the meaning and what is the psychology to written behind this subchapter, because the chapter shows some conclusions and dilemma of a person who traveled to a trip and forgot all about, and he has no more memory left in his mind. So student, it is a very important to understand word meaning and the paragraph before clear your chapter. So let's start the remaining paragraph of your chapter. You remember that and you don't remember that it was I who fixed up your railway booking for Ranchi. That means again Chunni want to inquire about his knowledge and ask him that, do you remember that I am the person who fixed up a railway ticket for Ranchi to you? It is, remember or not? I went to the station to see of you, and even I went to the station to see of you. That means वो कहते हैं कि मैं ही वो पर्सन हूँ जो रांची के लिए तुम्हें एक टिकट भी बुक किया था और मैं तुम्हें सी ऑफ करने स्टेशन भी गया था. वन ऑफ द फैंस in your compartment was not working, and I got an electrician to fix it. And there one incident occurred that one of your fan not working properly, so I called an electrician and fixed it for your comfortability. You have forgotten everything. Whatever is the matter with you, you don't look too well. And also he said that what the matter with you, Mr. Vipin Babu? Have you all lost your memory and you are just looking too ill? You are not looking well. You know that you are not looking well because your posture, your gesture shows that you are not well properly. Vipin Babu sighed and shook his head. Vipin Babu replied in very positive manner and said that yes, I am not feeling well. I have been working too hard, he said at last. That must be the reason, must see about consulting a specialist. And he also added his answer that I had been working for a long time without taking any rest, and maybe that was the reason of my illness, and definitely we must consult of a specialist who cure my illness, and this illness is a very fatal. Doubtless it was Bipin's conditions which made Chunni Lal live without mentioning anything about a job. And after hearing all the things, Chunni Lal thought that this is not a good time to talk about his job, because Bipin Babu was not properly well that moment. Student, you can feel it that when a person, जैसे मान लीजिए अगर कोई पर्सन परेशानी में है और आप उसके पास अपनी परेशानी को लेकर जाते हैं, सलूशन उससे लेना चाहते हैं और वो खुद परेशान है, तो आप जब देखते हैं कि वो परेशान है तो फिर आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को उसके सामने शेयर नहीं करते हैं, बिना कुछ किए चले जाते हैं. दैट थिंग्स हैपेंड विथ Chunni Lal. Chunni Lal shows here a very sincerity. Paresh Chanda was a young physician. Here one character is also mentioned in this chapter, and that name was Paresh Chanda. Paresh Chanda, a young physician with a pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. And here his physical description is given that he has a pair of bright eyes and his nose is sharp. He became thoughtful when he heard about Bipin Babu's symptom, and when he heard about the symptom of Bipin Babu, he became very serious. He became very thoughtful because he knows that Bipin Babu has a very great memory and is a very sincere person. He worked in his factory without doing any wrong, any mistake. So after hearing such a symptom, he became very thoughtful and said, look, Vipin Babu said that, look, Mr. Dr. Chanda, said Vipin Babu desperately. Vipin Babu said this matter is very seriously, very gloomy and depression. With a depression, said Dr. Chanda, you must cure me of this horrible illness. That you must cure me. This is a fatal disease. This is a horrible disease. Here, the forget of his memory is compared or said a horrible illness. So, student, वो कहते हैं कि आपको निश्चित ही मेरे इस भयानक जो बीमारी है इसका इलाज करना ही होगा. I can't tell you how it is affecting my work. And he also mentioned the reason that I can't explain with you that it's continuously affect my work, and I can't give my 100% to the work. So you must cure of my illness. Dr. Chanda shook his head. Dr. Chanda shook his head, and this is shows that shook his head that he considered to cure of the illness of Mr. Chaudhary. You know what Mr. Chaudhary said? I have never had a deal with a case such as yours. Frankly, this is a quite outside my field of experience. And Dr. Chanda mentioned a surprising answer regarding to the illness and said that I never faced such a case like yours in my whole life, and I never experiencing such illness in the field of my job. Frankly, this matter I am saying frankly. That means मैंने अपने पूरे जीवन में इस तरह का केस नहीं देखा जैसा कि केस आपका है. But I have one suggestion. I don't know if it works, but I am not quite sure that the suggestion will work or not. But it's worth a try. But you must try. You must try, and definitely it will work. It will give a good work. It can do no harm. And if it not work, then it also doesn't give any harm to you. That means ये अगर सजेशन आपको वर्क नहीं करता है, आपको ठीक नहीं करता है, तो आपको नुकसान भी नहीं पहुंचाएगा. इसलिए आपको ये सजेशन मान लेना चाहिए. आप कौन सा सजेशन देते हैं? Vipin Babu leaned forward annexiously. Then Vipin Babu, to hear this suggestion, leaned forward annexiously. Annexiously, that means very eagerly. As far as I can make out, Dr. Chanda, and I think you are of same opinion, you must have been to Ranchi. And further he said that I have opinion that you must visit Ranchi once more, and you must have been Ranchi. But due to some unknown reason, the entire episode has slipped out of your mind, and it may be something due to some other reasons. Whole episode of Ranchi trip has slipped out from your minds. And what I suggest is that you go to Ranchi once again. The sight of the place may remind you of your trip. And when you saw that place twice or again, then definitely these things recall the previous memories. This is not impossible. And it is possible. It is not impossible. It is possible that the previous sight or the previous memory correlate with that the present memory, and you got your entire memory, and you got the information about the entire episode of Ranchi trip. This more than that I can't do at that moment, and more than that I can't do for you, Mr. Chaudhary. Means अब इससे ज़्यादा मिस्टर चौधरी मैं आपके लिए कुछ कर नहीं सकता. I am prescribing a nerve tonic. I am giving you a nerve tonic that cures your nerve, and a tranquilizer. Tranquilizer, a medicine to reduce stress and anxiety. Tranquilizer is a medicine that gives you a relax from the anxiety, from the stress. Sleep is essential because sleeping is essential for you, for the symptom will get more pronounced, and otherwise your symptom will more pronounced. That means if do not take a properly sleep, then your symptom will grow and your illness will also grow. Vipin Babu felt somewhat better the next morning, and after hearing this, Vipin Babu went to his home and take a relief and got a very light sleep. And when he awoke in next morning, he found himself better than the previous. And after taking breakfast, he rang up his office. He called his office. That means after taking breakfast, उन्होंने अपने ऑफिस में फ़ोन किया, gave some instruction and then procured a first class ticket for Ranchi for the same evening and give him order to a person that procured means by hook or crook, मतलब जैसे तैसे जल्दीबाजी में booked a ticket for Ranchi the same evening. That means उन्होंने सेम इवनिंग जाने के लिए रांची का एक टिकट बुक कराया. सो स्टूडेंट, नाउ द थर्ड पैराग्राफ हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड हियर. वी विल डिस्कस द फोर्थ पैराग्राफ